Yep, Pixel 7a is here direct from Google. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. So Pixel 7a in this special Team Pixel branded box just arrived. Don't know what color it is, but let's get into it and see what we are working with. Okay, nice. It's the white Pixel 7a. Cool. There we go. Got this. Is there anything else that we've got? Nope. Put this on the side. Pixel 7a in the white color. Snow, as they call it. Pixel 7a, of course. All right, let's get straight into it. Ooh, that is clean. There we are. And you've got the OTG cable as well as the USB-C to C, standard procedures, SIM ejector tool, the booklets and stuff. You know how the drill goes. No charger included. Put this on the side. And here we have the Pixel 7a in the snow color. Or white. Okay, here we are. 1, 2, 1, 2. Fingerprint, SIM ejector tray, power, volume, down and up, as well as the USB charging port. I'm gonna do the peel test. Bam, satisfying as always. Let's get this on. Okay, so we're set up into the home screen, the Pixel 7a. Slight price increase this time around, £449 here in the UK, but there's a lot going on here that is really improved. First one, if we go into the settings and let's find the display, we can see that although not on by default, which you got to really look for, we do have the smooth display option here to toggle to 90 Hertz, which then makes it a lot smoother and much better to use compared to the 60 Hertz from before. I'm going to increase the screen time. And 1080p 6.1 inch OLED display now at 90 Hertz. And it does use the same Tensor G2 chip. I'm going to confirm that. And now 8 gigs of RAM instead of 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. And we've got new cameras. So the main camera is now 64 megapixels, larger sensor, bins down to 16 megapixels. And then of course the selfie, which is now gone up to 13 megapixels, can now shoot 4K in 30 frames a second, up from the 1080p from the Pixel 6a. Like, honestly, I cannot wait to test the camera on this. When we go to the ultra wide, it does have a wider field of view where it says 0.5 now. It only shoots 4K 30, not 4K 60. 4K 60 is limited to just the main camera, which is still impressive nonetheless. So yeah, in terms of the camera, there's a lot going on here. Longer exposure, so much. So definitely gonna do an ultimate camera comparison to test this out. But the feel of it is really, really nice. Feels like glass, but it isn't. It's actually a high quality plastic metal frame, which is great to see. Dual cameras, which is 64 megapixels and a 13 megapixel ultra wide with a wider field of view and 13 megapixel selfie. And of course, you've got the stereo speaker setup here with USB-C at the bottom, noise cancelling at the top. Yeah, this is looking great. Go into settings, about phone. Pixel 7a, Android 13. Great feeling haptics. I feel like they've improved the haptics on here, which is great to see. So Android 13, March security. So we'll check the update for that. And that is pretty much it. I've also got a couple of cases here from Caseology. Nano Pop series, Parallax series, A-Flex series, Parallax here, as well as their see-through clear case, which is the Capella. So definitely gonna be checking these out as well. So shout out to Caseology for bringing these through. Let's actually put one on, see how it fits. The Nano Pop. Love the feel. Ooh, this fits nice and snug. This is the Nano Pop. blue. I really, really like the feel of this actually. Yeah. So definitely consider getting a case. Caseology is definitely looking good with the Pixel 7a. And that is pretty much it with the unboxing and very early hands-on and impressions. Watch out for the full review and full test, camera comparison, charging test, and full experience review coming right up with the Pixel 7a. Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoyed this unboxing, you want to see more like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on the channel, and you will be part of Team TLS. I hope you stay safe during this time. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.